Have you heard about the miracle green superfood that people in India have been using for centuries? It's called Moringa Powder. But here's something most people don't know. Even though Moringa is incredibly powerful for your health, many people are using it the wrong way. In this video, I'll show you what Moringa Powder really does for your body, the correct way to use it, and 3 simple ways you can add it to your daily routine starting today. Let's begin. Moringa comes from a plant called Moringa oleifera, often known in India as the drumstick tree. For generations, its leaves have been used in traditional diets because they are packed with nutrients. Moringa powder is made by carefully drying and grinding these leaves into a fine green powder. Just a small amount contains powerful nutrients like iron, calcium, vitamin C, antioxidants, and plant protein. That's why it's often called one of the most nutrient-dense plants on earth. When consumed regularly, Moringa powder may support several areas of your health. It can help boost natural energy levels, making you feel more active throughout the day. It may support digestion and gut health because of its natural plant compounds. Moringa is also rich in antioxidants, which support the body's natural immunity. And many people also notice healthier skin and overall vitality when they include it in their daily diet. But remember, like any superfood, consistency matters more than quantity. Now let's look at 3 simple ways to use Moringa powder every day. The first method is the morning wellness drink. Just mix half a teaspoon of Moringa powder with warm water and a few drops of lemon. Drink it on an empty stomach to start your day fresh. The second method is a healthy smoothie. Blend a banana, spinach, almond milk, and half a teaspoon of Moringa powder. This creates a delicious and nutrient-rich breakfast smoothie. The third method is adding it to food. You can sprinkle a small pinch into soups, salads, or smoothie bowls. This is a great option if you prefer a milder taste. One important tip when starting Moringa: start with small amounts. Half a teaspoon per day is usually enough in the beginning. Your body can then slowly adapt to its powerful nutrients. Also try to choose pure, high-quality Moringa powder with no additives. This ensures you get the maximum health benefits. For example, this Rare Swan Naturals Moringa leaf powder is made from 100% pure Moringa leaves, carefully processed to preserve nutrients. It's a clean, plant-based superfood designed to support daily wellness. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and follow for more simple wellness tips. And tell me in the comments, have you tried Moringa powder before? I'd love to hear your experience. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.